In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up default templates in QuickBooks Pro. If you're looking to streamline your accounting tasks and ensure your invoices reflect your brand perfectly, setting up a default template is a great step. We'll walk through this process one click at a time, so by the end, you'll have a customized template ready for use. First, let's start by navigating to your bank transactions. This is where our journey kicks off. Open your QuickBooks Pro and look for the Banking section. Once you find it, go ahead and click on Bank Transactions. This tab is the central hub for managing your financial activities, and from here we'll dive into the settings that allow for template customization. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, there's a settings icon you'll need to click on next. This icon typically looks like a small gear and is located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings menu, where you'll find a variety of customization options, one of which is essential for editing templates. The Settings menu is a powerful tool in QuickBooks Pro that opens the door to tailoring the software to better suit your business needs. With the Settings menu open, you'll want to look for the Custom Form Styles option. This is where you can start making changes to the way your forms look. Click on Custom Form Styles to proceed. This option helps you manage everything related to the appearance of your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. Now that you're in the Custom Form Styles section, let's get creative by establishing a new form design. You'll see an option titled New Style. Click on that to create a template from scratch. This is your opportunity to draft an invoice style that aligns with your business personality, something that makes your brand stand out whenever clients receive your documents. In the New Style window, opt to create an invoice by selecting Invoice. This choice is pivotal as invoices are a fundamental element of any business operation, and customizing them ensures brand consistency. Selecting this will guide you towards the customization options specifically tailored for invoices. Once you've created a new invoice style, it's time to personalize it. To do so, click on Content. This area allows you to choose the layout details, such as sections, headings, and information fields that you desire on your invoice. It's crucial to ensure that all necessary information is clearly displayed for your clients. Consider what details are vital for your customers and what aligns with your brand's aesthetics. Lastly, once you've adjusted the content to your liking, you might find that you're unsuccessful in making your final changes. In such cases, you can easily exit by selecting Exit without saving. This option will leave your previous settings intact, protecting you from accidentally applying unwanted changes. And that's it. You've navigated through QuickBooks Pro's system for creating a default template. This task may seem complex at first, but with these clear steps, you'll effortlessly tailor your invoice designs to better represent your business.